Alright guys, system upgrade time. I'm really excited. I've got two nice big parcels. This isn't really an unboxing, but I'm going to unbox it for you anyway. GTX 1070 for the win. Let's see what we get out of this bad boy. Haha! 2 GTX 1070s for the wins. Let's get these installed. Let's see what we can get out of these. Unfortunately, the SLI bridge that connects these isn't here yet, but we should be getting those tomorrow. So you can still plug it in and have some fun in the meantime. Alright, let's do this. Let's crack these bad boys open. How nice is that? Let's get these in the computer and fire them up. And there we have it, installed, ready to go. Let's see if this works. Let's power this on. Cross your fingers. Ooh. Oh, what is that all about? Ooh, again. Oh, and we're booted. We have a boot screen. And they look so pretty. Ooh. I'll be back in a sec. Alright, so we've got both GTX 1070s for the win 2 editions installed, drives updated. Let's overclock this thing and see what we can get out of it. Right, so at this point the SLI bridge has come, we've got that installed, so let's go ahead and do some overclocking. Well, to be honest, I've already done the overclocking and set a preset. I've tested how far it can go, so these are the results I got. Plus 400 on the memory clock offset, and then plus 100 megahertz on the GPU clock offset. let's open up Valley Benchmark and see what we get out of it. Okay, let's just do 1080p, DirectX quality. Let's go to Ultra. Let's give that a go. We're hitting around 100 frames, 120, 130, down to 80. So we're averaging about 100 frames. It's not bad, it's really smooth. So far so good. Let's quit this one, let's try out some other benchmarks. Okay, let's go down to settings. Alright, let's go down to graphics. Let's see what 1920 by 1080. VSync off. Very high, very. Do they have ultra? No, I think it's still very high. So we got everything set to the max here. Very high and ultra wherever possible. So I think let's run a benchmark test. So between high 60s to low 90s. It's not too bad. It's nice and smooth. That's at ultra settings on 1080p. So for 1080 gaming, these two cards really do a good job. Well, 100 frames there, that's not too shabby at all. Well over 100 in that frame. Right, so I think we're done with the benchmark testing. I'm really happy with that. So in conclusion, I think these two cards are awesome. We did a really great job of getting a lot out of them, and we probably could have got even more, but I'm currently running two screens, and on the left hand side I got OBS set up, recording this camera and recording my screen capture. So if we had turned all that off and didn't try and record the screen, we probably would have seen a few more frames per second out of that, but all in all I think we got a great result. Now stay tuned, because in the next video I'm going to show you how we can use these two graphics cards to pay for our entire system and get it absolutely free. Till next time, goodbye.